Hello, stock investors. I hope all of you are having a fantastic morning. And in today's video, I'm going to give you 7 stocks that I like that have significant insider activity. This is legally reported insider activity. These are 7 stocks that I personally like after that catalyst. But before we get going, if you could do me a favor, please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you have not done so before, consider subscribing and turning on those bell notifications so you get notified when a new video comes out. I do have a Patreon group if you want these alerts faster, if you want these alerts every single day of stocks that I like with significant insider activity, then you will want to subscribe and be a member. We would sure love to see you there. I have a link in the description down below. All right, well, let's get into this. Let's not waste any time. Here we go. So the very first stock I want to talk about is ticker symbol OSTK. This is overstock.com. This has had a particular director who continues to load up shares. This is the 4-hour chart, and we have DeMark buy signals here. We also have, with this director, continually buying up shares of stock. So I like this stock for that reason. I think this is one that could really go crazy and really do well. And the next stock on the list is STAA. This is Star Surgical Company, and this has had significant insider buying here. Started to load up and buy in here, so already up in this one from our Discord call out. I like this for a big move, continually moving upwards. I definitely like the insider activity from a director. It was in open market. It was a very good transaction. The next, we have ALITE, ALITE Incorporated. And this one, significant insider activity right here, right in the morning of yesterday morning. That was reported. I think this has a long ways to go. You can see here that it has been beaten down quite a bit. This is a fantastic value, and probably what the insider was looking to do was to load up on shares on this particular stock because it had just been so beaten up. And so this is one to watch, and I like this one for a continued move upwards. And the next, this is a fresh one. This is ConAgra Brands, ticker symbol CAG. And very significant insider buying on this. They are in the food industry. I like this for a move up. We have some definite value levels and some things kind of going off on here. I like this one to be steady. I don't think this one is really going to take off and go crazy, but I think it should be good for a solid over the next week, 4 or 5% gain. But I like it for that, for a quick, nice move into a good company. The next Era Energy, ticker symbol NEE. Wow, there was some big insider activity on this from a 10% owner. It was done in open market, weighted average price, and it wasn't a dark pool transaction. This thing was done out in the public. Here we go. And so that is very significant. This is a phenomenal deal as it's come way down. This is basically a green energy company. I like this for a big move upwards. This was reported last night and after hours. And anyway, it's a really good looking stock, and I like it for a nice continued move upwards. And we have ticker symbol FNKO. This is Funko Incorporated. And this one had some really nice buys. It's had a lot of buys in the past. It's come down a little bit here. I expect this one to be a hot one. So this is the one I think is really going to spike after this insider activity, moving upwards. And I think that this is going to do extremely well. So this is one really to watch today. Put on your watch list, FNKO. oh, I like it for a nice move. Now I said 7 stocks. I actually have 6 with insider activity. It looks like I have this one that is part of my market timing strategy. This is ticker symbol XPRO. This is XPro Group Holdings. They do a lot with oil and gas. And I think that we could see, unfortunately, prices continue to be elevated with the conflicts and what's going on in the world at the moment. So it's going to be interesting. I think this one is good for a longer term play, and we could see this really move upwards if gas prices were to spike. And for that reason, I like this one also. I wish you all the best in the stock market. Hope you enjoyed this quick little video. At least give you some ideas of some things that are out there. Insider activity is the news before the news. And I have made a lot of money trading stocks with significant insider activity. It's something that I have gone through over the last 17 years and really kind of mastered and looked at the different things. I've seen every kind of transaction, and these are the ones that I like based upon that experience. Well, hope you all have a great day. Reach out to me in the comment section down below, and Raythoven